How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new episode of Six Things by Sarthak, and today I present to you Six Things by Sarthak on some Manchester United transfer news, where we'll be talking about Saul Niguez's transfer and of course the other latest developments at Man United. So without waiting, let's get into the video straight away. Of course, Man United fans, the legendary news, you're linked with another midfielder. But however, it is not a surprise. Atletico Madrid want to sell their star player in order to balance the books in the wake of coronavirus crisis, and of course, this could be a Paul Pogba replacement as well. And this one is not actually a very false rumor. This could actually be a very likely rumor because Saul Niguez has set his eyes on Premier League since last 2 years or so, and he would definitely want to move to Premier League. And of course, as you know, the condition of Spanish clubs, they would of course like to sell. So there is a lot to offer by Saul Niguez as a player in the midfield, and he's a proper box-to-box centerman, and he could gel well with Bruno Fernandes. So therefore, it is no surprise that United are ready to offer 45 million euros, which they think that will be enough to pursue Saul Niguez to Old Trafford. And I think that amount is fair, pretty much fair, because he's a very decent player, so he'll be a good addition. This is another player that is of course belongs to Atletico Madrid right now. Atletico Madrid are playing hardball with United over this England defender, that is Kieran Trippier. The England defender is desperate for a return to Premier League and is waiting eagerly for United to make a move. But Atletico want almost 43 million euros if they want to sell Trippier this summer. The Spanish champions do not want to be a part of any swap deal or so. They just said that we would like to keep the English right back, but if you want him, you can just pay 43 million euros to us. So he still has 2 years of contract left for Atletico Madrid, so it would be hard to convince Atletico to lower the price. So if United want the man, they have to pay 43 million euros for the defender. Of course, the rumors now are increasing. JC Lingard, of course, is a man of interest. Everton have joined the list of clubs keeping tabs on Lingard's situation at United. Of course, you remember the last video which we did on Man United, where I talked about Lingard, that the United manager wants his future to be decided ASAP because he said, "You are in the part of my plans," and of course I would like you to say. But Lingard of course wants to cement his place in the starting 11 again, and of course maybe actually wanting to play regular football rather than just coming off the bench. So I don't know what will happen for Lingard, but Everton are showing great interest since the hiring of the manager Rafa Benitez. They are very much interested in Lingard and his attacking abilities, and they would like him to be a part of plans at Goodison Park. This might be a sad news for some people, as Juventus chief sends clear Cristiano Ronaldo transfer message to Man United return links, and he said that it's not happening. Portuguese international Ronaldo is set to return to pre-season training with Juventus in the coming days following his heroics at the Euro 2020. Despite his contract entering its final year, the vice chairman of Juventus said that he has sent a clear message to Ronaldo's suitors that everyone who wants to pursue Cristiano Ronaldo, regardless, he'll be staying in Turin and playing for Juventus this season. And of course, what could have been a dream return for United, or should I say Ronaldo, has been ruined now. This is a very sad news for the player as well as the club, because the player is now injured. As you know that Alex Telles wanted out of United in search of playing time because Luke Shaw is now has resurged and he's starting to play very well. He played for United very well last season and during the Euros as well for England, and now he doesn't look like he'll be stopping anytime soon. So Alex Telles is not in a position to start, and that's why he wants to leave. But due to his injury, he might be forced to stay at Old Trafford and just rehabilitate. So this is a blow for the player as well as the club, because they have to pay the salary and the player is not playing as well. This is the news that might just put into another transfer rumor. That was for Edouard Camavinga. Camavinga only wants Real Madrid move. There are reports in the France that he just wants a move to Spain basically. Ren Prodigy said that he had only 1 year on his contract and he's ready to wait more so that he can join actually the Spanish giants Real Madrid or some other club in the Spain. The 18-year-old said that he basically is focused right now on his career at Rennes and would like to stay and very much focus here and then see what his future holds. Of course, the indications are that he's inclined towards a move for Spain. So that's it for this short video on 6 Things by Sarthak on Manchester United news. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.